Down for the crown is India.
Stepping into the fourth spot is Peru.
Spot number 5 belongs to Australia.
We're halfway there. Still in the competition is Puerto Rico.
Spot number 7 is certainly heaven for Thailand.
Just 3 spots left. This one belongs to Costa Rica.
Spot number 9 is divine for Mexico.
Only 1 spot remains. Securing the final spot in the top 10 is Brazil.
Congratulations to our top 10. One of these impressive women will walk away with the Mawad crown tonight. Remember, you at home can join the conversation on social media and tell us who your favorite is using hashtag #MissUniverse.
Oh, certainly an intense elimination round. Right now, we're going to check in with Chesley to get her thoughts on all the action so